Hello, my name is Diamond, and this is my lemon experiment to start a fire. So as you can see, I kind of already poked the holes in the lemon with the zinc nails and the copper nails. So now what I'm going to do is take pieces of wire, and I'm going to connect it from the first copper nail to the second zinc nail, and then from the second copper nail to the third zinc nail, and so on. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, now that I've connected all of my wires between the nails, I'm going to add the last pieces of wire from the empty zinc nail and the empty copper nail right now. Okay, so now that I've attached a wire to the free zinc nail and the free copper nail, as you can see here, we are ready to put it on the steel wool. And I put some paper towels onto the steel wool, as you can see, to try to create the fire. So I'm going to angle the computer down. And I'm going to touch the open wires to the steel wool. It should get hot enough that it starts a fire. So unfortunately, I didn't have any luck starting the fire with the steel wool. I've held it over for a couple minutes trying to see if it would get any warmer, and it didn't. But to recap, I had to pause this a couple times because it was taking me longer than I thought it would, but I stuck in 6 zinc nails and 6 copper nails, about a centimeter apart from each other, into this lemon, and then I connected the first copper nail to the second zinc nail with a wire, and then I did like the second copper nail to the third zinc nail, and so on and so forth until they were all diagonally connected. And then I connected a spare wire into the open zinc nail and a spare wire into the open copper nail, and that is supposed to create enough heat on top of the steel wool that it would create a fire, especially with the paper towels on top of it. But this is supposed to work because the lemon creates a short circuit that causes the steel wool to light up. So in my experiment, that actually didn't work. But when 2 electrodes, and in this case the copper and zinc nails, are placed in liquid, in this case the lemon juice, they can generate electricity. This can be explained by oxidation and reduction. The zinc dissolves in the lemon juice acid, and oxidation is a reaction that produces electrons, and reduction is a reaction that uses up electrons. So the zinc is supposed to be oxidized in the lemon juice. The electricity indicates that there are electrons flowing from the zinc nail to the copper nail. And the wire should conduct electricity that would make the steel wool light up because it should be hot enough, but in my case that did not happen.